everyone? We are back with a new episode. I've already collected my first order. I'm not gonna lie, I have waited a whole hour for this order. All for 8 order to come through. I'm now about to go and collect my second order. Today we're gonna talk about... Oh, hold on, let me pop this up for you lot. So you should see it literally right here now. So hopefully I don't forget that while I was editing. But you guys have questions about my bike being in, whether it's stiff or... Sorry, this one gentleman had questions about the bike. But his question's quite valid. Shit, yeah, I'm here. 2 seconds.
Head to your pickup at Bagel Factory, Birmingham.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's not done yet.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Takes a few minutes, that's why we do it.
Alright, we're gonna wait for this one.
The egg is the sort of omelette, so it's very much to be
Alright, I think our bagel's nearly ready to go. Dun 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 dun.
It's not looking for it.
Head to your pickup at Bagel Factory, Birmingham.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Head to
Cheers,
your
bye-bye.
drop-off at St. Paul's Place.
Alright, I've got both orders. Let's go make the first delivery, which isn't far at all, if I'm correct in speaking. But what I was saying before was, right, it depends on the tires that you have on the bike. So for example, when I got my slicks on, and I'll show you guys in a bit, I'll give you guys a whole breakdown over the bike at the end of the video. But plus the equipment as well, because it seems like we have a few new pieces of equipment that people would like for me to go over again. This order is actually only going 5 minutes 0.8, so that's quite good. But the thing is, I've tried this bike on different things, like so sand, snow, rain, and I understand from the question that was asked that that's the information you guys would want to know. In the rain, the only issue you have is that it's not waterproof fully, so water will get inside of where the controller is, etc. You're gonna have to make a lot of adjustments to keep that one dry. Now when it comes to snow, you'll be all right if you have, say, like, I ride with the sticks in the snow, I'm not gonna lie, but the realness of it is that, sorry, I'm trying to turn this bike on, is basically, with the snow, if you end up touching, Cobra, black ice, you're just gonna go. You'll have no say in it. You touch the tram lines, and with the off-road tires, the bike's gonna have a little bit of an uncomfortable ride. So, me personally, I prefer the road tires because they work out better. They're more smoother, you have more grip. But even trying to ride this on sand is a nightmare. It doesn't even ride. I'm pretty sure I could pop a clip up for you guys of that as well. Morning, bro. You good, man? You? Ride safe. So yeah, I hope that answers the question. If I missed anything out, let me know. But through all weather, these off-road tires aren't the one. Cool, bro. But you see, when it comes down to, say, them slicks, bro, the only time you'll have an issue with them is if it snows. But otherwise from that, or if it's like a bit icy, but otherwise from that, they're the best tires you're gonna get. And obviously you do want to get them so that they're puncture proof. rather than having to import the extra layer that's inside of them to stop things from going through the tire. Now, I realized from having 3 batteries, I could run this bike for a crazy amount of miles and it shouldn't be an issue for me. So it's what, 3 16 amp batteries, you know. I ain't even gonna lie, I blitz the battery to about 50% and then I'll swap it out. I never actually kill a battery, especially during the winter time. It just does more damage to the battery. From what someone else has told me, I don't personally know myself, but yeah, sorry boss. This road is so bumpy. And since I've secured my box a bit more with the extra layers inside of it, like this like little thermal pad thing, don't get me wrong, this box is thermal as well, and so are the bags inside, but it just helps secure things so it doesn't spill, you don't knock things over, etc. like that. It keeps them all in place. Once they're wrapped properly, there'll be no issue. I am literally about to arrive to my first drop off. It's 2 minutes away for 0.3, practically at the end of this hill, which is not far at all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be cheeky and just roll through the side here because there's nothing coming and there's so many potholes. I want to try and get out of the way before this taxi driver comes down behind me. Oh god, I'm glad I took both. So yeah, seem to be getting a lot of comments that people spot me here and there. I just never realised sometimes, if I'm 100% honest. But let's get these orders delivered. And guys, it seems like there's another question on the go actually, of the protection that I wear. Like in the past when I was doing this for Just Eat, there was a guy, I'll have to tell you guys the story afterwards when we arrived. Number 40, we are here. I believe I'm delivering the bagel first.
Hello?
Hi, I've just arrived, I'm outside.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, bye-bye. Okay, and this one's acquiring a pin. So we'll have to get the pin from the customer. But long story short, I went to McDonald's one day and the guy tried to pull a knife out of me. I think I was riding the yellow version of this, the black and yellow version. And I'm not the type to back down in it. Don't get me wrong, if you're coming at me in a type of way, I think anyone's gonna want to protect himself. But this guy was a crackhead and I wasn't gonna let him take my bike, bro. The bike was locked as it was. But it just wasn't the good outlook. Hi, I'm Jim.
4151.
4151. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.
Head to your drop-off at Osman House.
It said it was 0.1 away from this drop off. They're taking the mick. Now I'm going 1.5 with the other delivery. Huh. Originally, this drop off was 0.1 for my first drop off. So how does that work out when it's 1.4 miles? Something's not right there, but it's all right. Let's go get this other delivery done and we can take it from there. Minutes away from making this second drop, which is 3 minutes. This drop did not lie, it was actually the distance that it offered, which if I'm correct, it paid £4.91p for 3.3 miles, which made another £1.92p on top of that for the second drop, which is actually the first drop, but was my second pickup. So I'm not too sure what else and information that you guys need on the bike. The tire size is a 20 by 4, but we're about to change that to a 20 by 2.4 if they fit, and if they bloody show up, you mean. Jesus Christ. 2 days in a row I've been waiting for this guy to make that delivery, and he messed it up 2 days in a row. But either way, hopefully the tires show up, because we need them. I can't do this off-road tire business. It slows the bike down. There's less momentum in the bike. It's just nuts. With riding with the slicks on, your tires will stick to the road better, no matter the weather. Correction, if it snows or it's sand, then it's a different story, but yeah. Otherwise from that. By having the front box, it allows me to carry bigger orders. So being able to carry the bigger orders allows me to have more space, and it's less weight on my back. So for example, with the camera equipment, I tend to keep something else on my back, which helps out. Yes, Spider-Man. That's crazy. As if man just seen Spider-Man, you know. So I'm about to arrive any second now. $55. It's the main entrance where? Oh my. Fuck was she thinking? It says please come to the blue entrance sign. So obviously this isn't the one. When she wants to drive away, she's looking at the cameras. Should have been looking before you pulled out, dummy.
New message from MM.
Please come to the blue entrance.
Sign.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Drop off.
Fuck it off. That door's smashed. Are you sure this is the right door?
Excuse me, can you just come through the other way?
You're right.
2290.
2290.
Yeah.
Thank you. Cheers. Have a good day. 2290.
The door glass is broken.
Someone must have punched that way. But yeah, that's the order.
It's not come backside.
It only sees me. So on the other side the screen's there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think it's nice.
Yeah.
I'll show you. See me now. Check.
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah.
1 second, I check. Yes.
Yeah, bro, don't film that they're eating, bro.
Yeah, it's okay, man. Don't worry. Yeah.
This is probably going to be my shortest video ever. I'm not going to lie. It's literally going 11 o'clock and it is dead. I've had 2 jobs. I think I came out at like 8:30, which to be honest with you, I think I've waited around long enough for work that's not going to come. But as it goes for the bike, I still need to show you guys something. So I'm going to pull over quickly and I'm going to show you exactly what I was talking about. Now, I am going to use the camera on my chest, so we're going to swap cameras over. If you notice in the front here, I've got a slick, right? This one's still good condition. The back one was fucked. Now, this is an off-road tire. These are no good. These knobbly things just cause accidents. For example, if I was to touch, say, this, when it's wet, your back tire is gonna slip and slide, like it loses grip so easily. It's not worth it. It's quite a headache. Morning, boss. Have a good day, bro. Fuck it out, he's bugging. He's bugging. But yeah, so in all honesty, that's the bike. Like, riding it through different types of weather, there is a big difference, especially with the tires. That is the main factor. If you have good slick tires, especially coming through the summertime, even in the winter, they would do amazing. They would stick to the ground. But once again, if it's snowy, nah, you ain't gonna like that feeling. You have to ride extra slow. The bike's just gonna swing like, and at times, I kid you not, when this thing just wants to drop, it's like this. Literally, you're like, yay, next minute it's bam, and it's gone. So there's a big factor in it. The wheels do make a big difference. Since I took these off-road tires off, it's I've had more of a comfortable ride with the slicks, in other words. But summertime's the best time. Your battery will last longer, your tires are going to stick to the road, and you have more daylight. So yeah. But as for the rain, I have no issues apart from water getting inside the controller. Sand and snow, you know, I've already mentioned that to you guys. But when I edit this video, I will edit in all the main clips so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because I know I've got footage of it. I'm about to go and get started. We're gonna start hunting down all the clips, because I've got so many hard drives full of so much videos. It is nuts. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, sorry. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and season 3 is on the way if we can get more work. Get ready, because I'm going to give you guys a little tip. I'm planning on traveling somewhere real soon, so hopefully for my next episode it's not going to be quiet like this. It's going to be busy, order after order after order. That's what I'm intentionally looking for. So see you guys soon. Peace.